Hey guys, welcome to AutoFix Craft. Today let's talk about your oil pressure warning light, one of the most important alerts on your dashboard. If you see that little red oil can symbol, it means your engine's oil pressure is dangerously low and needs your immediate attention. Low oil pressure means your engine isn't getting enough lubrication. Without it, metal parts can grind together, overheat and cause serious damage, sometimes in just a few minutes. If that warning light comes on, pull over safely and turn off your engine right away. Even a short drive with low oil pressure can lead to expensive repairs. Sometimes, it's just low oil or a faulty sensor. In this guide, I'll show you how to check your oil and figure out if it's a real problem or just a sensor issue. Let's get started. The oil pressure sensor is your engine's early warning system. It monitors oil pressure and triggers the dashboard light if pressure drops, but sensors can fail. Heat, vibration, and old age can cause them to give false alarms. Sometimes, a clogged sensor or a loose electrical connector is to blame. Dirty oil can block the sensor's tiny opening, making it read zero pressure even if everything's fine. That's why false alarms are common, especially in older cars. How do you know if it's just a bad sensor? Watch for a flickering oil light, especially at idle, or a light that stays on even when the engine runs smoothly. If your oil level is good and the engine sounds normal, no knocking or ticking, it's likely a sensor issue. Erratic readings on your oil pressure gauge are another clue. Check the sensor for oil leaks. If you see oil around it, it's probably failed. Replace a leaky or unreliable sensor to avoid false warnings. When that red oil pressure warning light comes on, don't ignore it or assume it's just a glitch. This is one of the most serious alerts your car can give. Real low oil pressure can quickly lead to catastrophic engine damage. Your engine needs oil to keep its moving parts lubricated and cool. Without it, metal components grind together, causing rapid wear or even permanent failure. If you see the oil light and hear knocking or ticking from the engine, stop immediately. These noises are your engine's way of warning you. Driving any further could turn a minor issue into a major disaster. Pull over, turn off the engine, and don't try to limp home. Watch your temperature gauge too. If it climbs into the red, or you see a high temperature warning, your engine is under severe stress. Overheating can be caused by low oil or other failures and can quickly seize your engine. Smoke from the engine bay or a burning oil smell means you need to shut down and call for help. White or blue smoke often means oil is burning or leaking onto hot parts. Don't risk driving further. If you check your oil and it's dangerously low or you see leaks, don't just top it off and keep going. The real problem needs a mechanic's attention. Get your car towed to a shop. It might seem inconvenient, but it's far cheaper than replacing your engine. Listen to your car's warnings. They're there to save you from bigger trouble. Suspect your oil pressure sensor is faulty? Don't worry. Here's a quick, step-by-step guide to help you troubleshoot and fix the issue before it becomes a bigger problem. First, check your oil level. Park on level ground, let the engine cool, and use the dipstick. If the oil is low, top it up with the recommended oil. Sometimes, this simple fix will turn off the warning light. If the oil level is fine, try resetting your car's computer. Disconnect the negative battery terminal for about 15 minutes, then reconnect it. Start your car and see if the warning light is gone. If the light stays on, use an OBD2 scanner to check for diagnostic codes like P0520, which points to an oil pressure sensor issue. Many auto parts stores offer free code checks if you don't have a scanner. If you get a sensor code, replacing the oil pressure sensor is usually simple. Locate it near the oil filter or engine block, and make sure the engine is cool before starting. Unplug the connector, unscrew the old sensor, and install the new one by hand, then tighten with a wrench. Reconnect the plug securely. Start your engine and check the dashboard. If the oil light is off, you fixed it. Take a short drive to confirm everything's working. If the light stays on or you hear odd engine noises, stop driving and consult a mechanic. Persistent warnings could mean a serious issue. Quick checks and timely repairs can save your engine and your wallet. Following these steps keeps your car running smoothly and gives you peace of mind. If the warning light stays on after replacing the sensor, you likely have real low oil pressure. Causes include low oil level, dirty or wrong oil, a clogged oil filter, or a blocked pickup tube. Old sludgy oil is hard to pump. Regular oil changes are crucial. A clogged filter or pickup tube starves the engine of oil, dropping pressure fast. Worn bearings or a failing oil pump can also cause pressure loss. These are serious and need a mechanic. Check your oil regularly and use the right type to prevent problems. If in doubt, get your engine checked before it's too late.